Christ today in the gospel gives us very specific guidance. What to do to become a saint. If you summarize what he said in one sentence, it is, put aside what is yours and take mine and follow me. What is yours? It's your ego and everything that you possess. What is his? Is the cross. What does the cross represent? The cross represents self-sacrificial love. Love everyone by sacrificing your own. That's what it means to take a cross and follow. He doesn't want you to make a wooden cross, put it on your shoulder, and climb a mountain. He wants you to sacrifice on a daily basis your personal ego. Take yourself off the throne of God and put God on the throne. That's the original sin. The devil came to Adam and Eve and said, you can eat from this, and in fact, if you eat, you will be like God. So what is that separates us from the sins? It is the original sin that has been handed down from generation to generation. We teach our own children to be the way that our grandparents have taught us to be.